G'day guys and girls, and my name is John Mikalutis and I'm the Chief Inspirational Officer here at myexcelonline.com. Now I'm here to make you stand out from the crowd so you can advance your Microsoft Excel and Office skills so you can get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve.
It really saved tons of time, and my financials were done probably within a week and a half versus maybe a month.
It's nice that people can come to me and say, Michelle, can you do this for me? And I can actually say, yes, I can. It's helped me immensely. It's helped my confidence immensely.
Subscribing with My Excel Online not only taught me Excel, but it also taught me what are the hidden treasures inside Excel that you need to learn. The PDF books that they offer, they're also very illustrious and easy to understand. So it saves you a lot of time and you progress very quickly.
I can say that I have an intermediate to advanced knowledge of Excel now because of My Excel Online. I wouldn't have been able to do that before. I'd have still been on basic. I think it's one of the best investments I've ever made on myself besides school.
There's hundreds of resources on the internet, but I've found My Excel Online to be one of the best ones that I've run across. The monetary value is, for what you get and what you pay for, it's well worth it.
Like anything online, I'm very skeptical about memberships and applying. I was very hesitant to start with, but I liked what I saw and I thought, oh, well, I'll give it a go. I've got nothing to lose. I've never looked back since. It's been the best investment I've ever done.
Now, if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel and Office skills, then I invite you to join our My Excel Online Academy online course where you get access to beginner, intermediate and advanced courses. You also get access to over 1,000 tutorials covering formulas, macros, VBA, pivot tables, Power Pivot, Power Query, Power BI, charts, Excel dashboards, financial modeling, plus you also get courses on Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Teams, Access, and much more. We also release new video training tutorials each and every month, and you get access to our downloadable workbook so you can practice and get better at Excel. You also get support from our Microsoft certified trainers and access to our awesome Q&A forum where you can have your questions answered within hours. And finally, as you complete each course, you get a certificate of completion where you can download and also upload on your LinkedIn profile so you can show off your Excel skills to your current employers or future employers. So whether you're an Excel beginner, an intermediate user, or an advanced user, click on the link below to join the My Excel Online Academy so you can advance your Microsoft Excel and Office skills today.